Getting her purring.
Get all close and personal. So Pepper, who is the real Pepper? She wants to play with you. Look at that. Look at it. There's something else.
Yeah, smug little pest here.
Hey. What's Satin doing?
That's what she wants to know.
Look at her legs. Get the rest of her body. Are you getting the rest of her body? How much have you got her?
Most of her.
Get her hind legs. They're funny. You can move over to them and get them better, and then move back.
Pan over, hind legs. Now I return to the head.
Beauty shot. You're doing beautifully, Pepper. Now give us a big smile. Good.
Purr louder so we can get on the camera.
Yeah, big purrs for the camera.
Yeah, just bring that over within reach, man. Just bring it over here.
She has to do exactly what she's seeing. She's like, Ooh. 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 Ooh.
Pepper is the zen of cat.
Tell me who you are.